Let Me Be Your Woman is a podcast for all the girls. I mean, especially girls, because most boys just say no to all these things, okay? They just deny it. Yeah, I'm fine, leave it to me. Leave me like this. So, this is a podcast where we are going to discuss the demons which we all have, which we are scared of, but we do act because of them. And we want to control them, but we don't know how to control them. And most importantly, everybody is scared to accept those demons, and nobody wanna talk about it. Everybody wanna just show that how cool I am, how self-evolving I am, and how fine I am, to be honest. But inside, something is rotting. Something is actually rotting, okay? And let me tell you, once you realize that your demons are not just your demons, they are everybody's. Everybody have them. Overthinking. We all overthink, right? But everybody says, okay, stop overthinking. Don't overthink, okay? Do meditation, do yoga, find some hobby. That is all fine. But in that moment, when you are actually overthinking, what does help you? Inhaling, exhaling, maybe touching something cold and thinking what 5 things you are seeing, 2 things you can hear, 3 things you can smell. How isn't it tiring for you? Because it was for me, okay, when I started this. And let me tell you, this overthinking, it's coming from the experience of 27 years in my entire life, and there was not a single day when I did not overthink until last year. Okay, so there is a moment in your day, in your office, anywhere, when you're sitting or when you're standing and you just did something or somebody said something or not even said something, you're just sitting and multiple millions of thoughts and coming into your mind, and you just in the loop of those thoughts, and you don't even realize that you have such millions and millions thoughts running in your mind. You're already inside those thoughts already. You can't even realize that, yeah, you are into it, you are in it. That time, what will you do? Inhale, exhale. I'm not saying that it doesn't help. It does help, definitely. Calm your mind, meditate, everything. But then you start overthinking about it. What people will say, they'll see me doing this, what they will think, what they are gonna say and talk about it. Let me tell you, first of all, this is not gonna be easy, okay? It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of effort, lot of days. Sometimes you will just be like, I don't wanna do this. I'm tired of it, actually. But you'll have to keep doing it. And before doing it, you do not have to make it a task, okay? You just have to let it come to you. The moment you made it a task that every time I have to do it, it's not gonna work in start. In start, you have to let it come to you. Let it go easy on you, let it grow on you. When you're thinking about, anytime, there are so many thoughts running across in your mind. And while you don't realize it, that they have started running into your mind, but when you actually see them, realize that moment, say once to your mind like a boss, I don't want to create scenarios in my mind, okay? I don't want to be stuck in this loop. And do not say it like a victim of your brain. Please leave me. Please stop these thoughts. No, say it like a boss to yourself. I do not want to create scenarios in my brain. I do not want to be in this loop. Stop it. The moment you'll talk to your brain like a boss, you start training it in a way you want it to act. And it stop acting in a way the brain wants you to. first day you'll not even remember maybe, but someone they will like इतना ध्यान से सुनो भाई कि जब भी तुम इस रील को देखो ना, जस्ट मेक इट अ नोट ऑफ इट, कहीं पे भी जस्ट मेक इट अ नोट ऑफ इट कि मुझे ये बोलना है. आई हैव टू टेल दिस टू माई ब्रेन every time, every fucking time, and keep it in your phone actually. Write it in your phone, notes or anywhere, on somebody's chat, not somebody's chat, yeah. What about that personal leave? So me in a personal note or somewhere. See, I have to do this. I don't want to overthink. I don't want to create scenarios. I don't want to be stuck in this loop. Make it start a habit. And start it will be very difficult. You won't be able to because you'll feel because obviously we are so addicted to our old habits that we cannot adapt new habits. We are so comfortable in our inconvenience. We have adjusted so much in our inconvenience that it is gonna be very difficult in the starting days, okay? You'll just give up. Oh, shut up yaar, shut up. Now till now I was just overthinking. Now I have to think about this as well. Okay? But you have to again do it. The moment you start overthinking about this thing, say it again. In the third time, you'll break out of that loop. And then from there on, every time you'll start overthinking, there will be a time those thoughts will again come to your mind. Or maybe at least you'll think, what was that thing that I had to say to my brain? What was that thing that I had to say to my brain? That time, look at that note. Start saying it again. And say it out loud in your brain, okay? Like a boss. I mean, like not out loud, like that loud. Inside your brain, but out loud. Okay? See, it will work, yaar. Give me this chance. Just give me this chance. I'm not asking for anything, okay? Just give me this chance. Say it in your brain. And if you do now, please come back to this video and tell me in comments if that worked.